8 in the turn. All right. Got the foot, now gallop left. Got the footwork. Well done. So it's interesting. Do it again. That the second time was the best, but the third time he stayed trotting into the placing rail. So try to keep the step fresh. Trotting in fresh and sharp. Now kick one more time. Gallop. Gallop. Kick with the left leg. There we go. Gallop. And one more time. He's trotting in now. I just want him a little more fresh, and I want you to now take your 2 point. Hands on the neck. Sink your heel. What do you think? Yeah. See, a horse like this, go ahead, Jordan. A horse like